Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be opening some Vivid Voltage packs today. And hopefully we can come out of here with something good. There's your code card. Charmander. We got a Rockruff reverse. Okay. Let's see what else we can pull. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kakuna. Stunfisk. Wilsmer. Execute. Woobat. Beldum. Blitzel. A Whelmer reverse. And a Steelix V card. Very nice. That's a nice card. I haven't seen this one before. Very nice. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Wyndham Stadium. Zebra Strike. Voltorb. Nidoking. Rockruff. A Sableye reverse. And a Toucannon non-hollow. Alright, here we go. Last pack magic. Hopefully we could get something good. Like the video, subscribe for good luck. Let's see what we can pull. And there's your code card. Oh, there's your code card. Okay. 4. We got a Psychic Energy. I'm sorry, Dark Energy. Stunfisk. Sableye. Joltik. Slugma. Telescopic Sight reverse. And a Dialga hollow. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, so from today's video, these are our pulls. Not bad if you ask me. I like this. I wish I can get this in like a crazy full art type card. I bet you that'd look sick. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day.